bit of skincare.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do some sort of unboxing here. So before we get to the unboxing, I'm just going to have my breakfast and I'm just going to tell you about places I went to last week. I went to the beach with my friend. Her name is Zogs. So we had like a beach day kind of outing. It was at Soul Beach. It's a new beach at I think around Oniru. After spending some time at the beach, we went to a restaurant. I think it's called something Downfall. Yeah, Downfall Bistro. I'm just going to quickly have breakfast before I continue this. I'm having custard, and you know how it gets with custard. So baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. So we have 2 bags to unbox. Get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but Hi, so I'm back. I've washed my face and I've put on the Jomiso Supercharging Vitamin C face mask. So on to the next thing. So the next thing is the shovel skin machine. Helps to remove blackhead, acne. I actually have lots of white heads here and on my nose. I got this in white. It comes in other colors, but clean girl period. This is what it looks like. It's just really sleek and cool and all of that. And it has this extra nozzle thing. I don't know if this is how this works, but I think so. Oh, this is removable. Sorry, I'm just going to take out this seal here. New stuffs are usually like trying to figure them out are usually chaotic, so please understand. This has to be one of the favorite things I bought. This cute inscription underneath it. So I got it for 6,890. Then the next thing I got are these black hair ruffles. I also went in to buy this too. They weren't selling this like the entire bundle, so they were selling I think a yard for 100 naira. So I got 3 yards. Last thing I got is this. I got it for 4,490. That is all for the first bag. The second one is nothing serious. They smell really nice. I wish I had gotten like 2 of this particular one. The Pinterest and TikTok people have abused this one. I'm still a bit indifferent about this one. I think it says for women. It smells rich. It smells really rich. No, I'm not indifferent about this one. I like this one. I think the smell lingers. This is a really popular one, which is one of the reasons why I did not want it. It smells like powder. Smells like a usual, I won't say cheap perfume, but it just doesn't have like a statement kind of fragrance. Unlike this this one that has the oh I'm rich, oh I just stepped in kind of fragrance. So that is all of the unboxing. I'll just have to go and wash this out of my face because it says not to leave for more than 15 minutes.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the cup green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Coach, can I tell us some shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. All night, say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm out, you make me feel warm. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I go, my love. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up, I've been fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things.
come to a new city and you arrive at the hotel, you're trying to find your way around and trying to make everything work. But we now have coffee, which is fantastic news. Would you like some biscuits? Chocolate, triple chocolate cookies.
I will. Thank So we are at the Nike Art Gallery. Up, okay, I'm coming. So we are at the Nike Art Gallery. I don't know if you can hear me, but we are at the Nike Art Gallery and we're taking a tour around and let's go.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you what you need. I know what you like. I believe something. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me outside.
Let me help you, ma. Nice to meet you, ma.
Of my mind.